In front of me is Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and find security. Now go a bit lower and click on SIM card lock. Right here. Now click on change SIM PIN, and at first you have to enter the current PIN, then tap on OK, and enter a new one. Now you have to re-enter this new PIN to confirm, so it was 2580, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed. So that will be all. This is how you can change PIN. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.